But to talk more about the reasons why I decided to pass, or let me say, why I decided to go with my Forex funds and try to pass their challenge, let's go to their website so I can use some of their data as like backing to the idea. So first, when you come to their website, they do have 3 different programs, as you can see up top: the rapid, the evaluation, and the accelerated. In my opinion, because I was looking at my Forex funds and FTMO, the evaluation was most similar to FTMO. And when I compared the two, this evaluation was easier to pass. So part 1 is that this was most identical to trading my own capital with this evaluation, and that's why I chose this over the rapid or accelerated. And then part 2 is I decided to go with my Forex funds over FTMO because of their rules, which are down here. Their overall drawdown percentage is bigger. You're allowed a 12% overall drawdown and a 5% daily drawdown, which I like. You also only have to make 8% here with my Forex funds for the target 1 profit target, phase 1 profit target, and that's 2% less than what you have to do with FTMO. Also here, 5% in phase 2 profit target is less than what it was with FTMO anyway. 5 trading day minimum, I think, is the same for both companies, at least at the time of making this video. All these rules are subject to change, of course. And I'm not getting paid to promote my Forex funds. As you know, I don't have an affiliate link. I'm not associated with them. I'm an educator. I teach people how to trade. Whether you go with my Forex funds or FTMO or the 5%ers or Audacity Capital or any of these other companies, that's on you. I will go forward with my own trading and share all of my experience as it comes without ever trying to, like, making sure I never cross that line of conflict of interest. How would I say that I'm being a good educator if I could get paid just to have you sign up to this company? So I'm not bashing anyone or promoting anyone. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Beyond that, I really liked with my Forex funds the ability to trade crypto, the ability to trade indices, and to diversify into other markets, because traditionally I'm a Forex trader. And this is what I'm going to be talking about on that webinar I told you to sign up for, was that my open-mindedness over the last year really allowed me to excel, to not become that old stagnant Forex trader, just a Forex trader. I'm now just a day trader, and I trade multiple markets. And I think that makes me more well-rounded and more able to take advantage of opportunities to make money. So that's the first main reason, is the structure compared to other companies. The second main reason that I went with my Forex funds, and this is available from other companies as well, but I liked what I saw with my Forex funds, was the crypto payouts. I knew James and other guys in ASFX had gotten paid out in crypto already. It was super easy for them. They showed me it. Plus, you can go into the My Forex Fund Discord and you can actually see their payouts. So if you go to their Discord, you can see here in the payout proof section, all of these people have sent screenshots of getting paid out. Look, right here, someone just got paid out $3,000. Someone just got paid out $2,254. And I'm going to be making a video in the next couple of days once I get my first payout from them. Now, they did pay me my phase 1 bonus, but it was only like $160. So I'm not counting that, because of course they would pay me that. I'm going to make a video when I get a real nice payout. They even have a chat down here for the 5-digit club for their big payouts. Like if you take a look, like this one right here, $12,844. If you look, we scroll down, find another one. This one is $12,663. Here's another one, $15,000 on these payouts. It's reassuring to see this. $13,000 here, $12,000 here. And these are not posted from my Forex funds people. These are posted from real traders, as you can see. So that was the kind of second and more important reason, was the diversification of markets. I loved that idea. So the third reason, the last reason for why I decided to go with my Forex funds, is because you can take your payouts in crypto and you can scale up to 600K in trading capital between 2 accounts. Right now, that's where the rules stand. And of course, they're subject to change, but for someone like myself who's never used a trade copier, we can even scale up to 300K, because then you would just manage that one 300K account. And if you wanted to get a copier set up, you could do that twice. But for somebody like me that doesn't have any experience with a trade copier, I'm looking to get to the 300K once I get this first payout. So like the next steps for me are get the payout this week, make a video about that, then go buy the 200K demo, pass phase 1, pass phase 2, then get funded with the 200K and combine that with the 100K account that I have. Then I'll be trading 300K with them, and I'm going to go forward from there. So the reasons are kind of all tied together and are slightly similar, but the crypto payouts was big to me. Being able to trade crypto in other markets was a big thing for me. And also just the fact that the profit target is lower versus other competitors in the industry, it kind of makes it a no-brainer to go with my Forex funds. Now, I'm not promoting them again. I want you to do your own research before you jump in, but for me, it was a no-brainer, and it's been a really great experience so far. I'm going to keep